Hey everyone, welcome back to Aromanic. I have picked up a lot of fragrances this month and today I am unboxing and giving my first impressions on 10 different fragrances perfect for summer. Now many of these are blind buys for me, so it will be very exciting. For each fragrance, I'll quickly share the official notes so that we know what we are expecting out of it. I'll spray it and tell you exactly how I am experiencing the fragrance. I will talk about the opening, the vibe of the fragrance. I'll also talk about the budget of these fragrances and the most important thing, I'll tell you who should actually buy it. I just want you to remember that these will be my first impressions for almost all these fragrances, but I'll try my best to give you as much information as possible. So let's jump into it. First, I have Yves Saint Laurent Myself, which is a modern freshie. So let's unbox this first. That's YSL Myself EDP. The bottle looks black and sleek. Before we spray, let's just check the notes. In the top note, we have bergamot. In the middle, we have orange blossom. And in the base, we have patchouli and ambrofix. Okay, first few sprays. The atomizer is really nice. The bergamot really hits. It's crisp and bright, immediately uplifting. I'm getting that soft orange blossom which is coming almost instantly. It's adding a little bit of floral touch in the opening. This makes me think of a cool morning. It's refined yet energetic. Overall, it's modern and versatile enough for both day and evening. And this one is a mid-range fragrance, but the experience is totally worth. If you are into modern, sophisticated scent that balances freshness with refinement, YSL Myself is a great pick for both day and evening. If you haven't tried this one yet, you should give it a go. Guys, I want you all to watch this video till the end because I have a major giveaway alert coming up. You can win not just one but two fragrances from this list. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. Next up, I have my first Parfums de Marly bottle. It's called Greenly and this one's a tester. So we'll just check the notes of this one first. In the top notes, we have green apple, bergamot, and orange. In the middle, we have petite grain, cedar, Kashmiran, Palmaros, and violet. And in the base, we have oakmoss, musk, and amberwood. Let's check the atomizer on this one. Nice and even spray, very good atomizer. Wow, this is a blind buy for me and it's very refreshing. I get that juicy green apple and some citruses from lemon and bergamot. There is some green woody notes at the back. This stuff is so amazing, too good. The opening here is very smooth, high quality. This instantly evokes that dewy garden fresh vibe like walking inside a green lush forest. And this is a high-end niche fragrance, so it comes at a premium price. This is perfect for those people who love naturally green and fresh fragrances, and this works really well for spring and summer, especially during the daytime. If you are willing to spend, this can be your go-to fragrance. Next up, I have a very affordable designer fragrance, Legend Spirit by Montblanc. Montblanc Legend Spirit. The bottle looks really stylish and it's shiny from the top. And the notes of this one are grapefruit, bergamot, pink pepper. In the middle, we have water notes, lavender, cardamom. And in the base, we have white musk, white wood, cashmere wood, and oakmoss. Now let's spray it on a strip and see how it smells. The opening is sharp, fresh, and sparkling. It's like a cool splash of water on a hot summer day. The blend has grapefruit and bergamot mixed with some soft spices from cardamom and pepper. As it's drying, the woods are definitely coming into picture. Now, I have heard that this is not a great performer, but for the price, I mean, you can always put some extra space so that it lasts 1 hour longer, maybe. But I would recommend this to those people who are looking for a nice, affordable, everyday designer fragrance because this is very versatile. If you are looking for a fragrance that's uplifting, vibrant, and suitable for any occasion during the daytime, then you should buy Legend Spirit by Montblanc. Up, I have the Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Platine Privé, and this one's also a tester, so I'll just take out the bottle. Wow, classic Guerlain bottle. So we'll just check the notes of this one. In the top notes, we have grapefruit and bergamot. In the middle, we have green almond and neroli. And in the base, we have musk and vetiver. Let's do the atomizer check and see how it smells. Oh, nice pressurized atomizer. Wow, the opening is so refined. Obviously, I get citruses from bergamot and lemon, but this is giving a clean, crisp, and elegant vibe. Now, Guerlain is known for their almond notes in the low medial line, so there is some bitterness over here as well from the almond, which is actually giving it an edge. Now, the overall experience over here is very different compared to the last fragrance. Obviously, there's a huge price difference as well, but as it said, you pay for the experience. I just want to talk a little bit about the brand. So, Guerlain is one of the oldest in the industry, and they're making luxurious and high quality fragrances since almost 200 years now. And I've recently bought some of their fragrances, and trust me, they are too good. If you want a separate video covering all the Guerlain fragrances which I have in my collection, do let me know in the comment box. Coming back to Platinum Privé, wow, this screams sophistication right from the moment it was sprayed. It's like stepping inside an upscale high-end lounge on a summer day, and this one comes under the luxury segment, but it's not that expensive if you buy it from discounters. If you are looking to elevate your daily routine with a touch of class, this is your go-to. You should check this one. Next, I'm unboxing the most affordable fragrance in this list, and this is called Theorem Matrix by Rue Broca. Just to mention, this particular brand comes under Afnan. Theorem Matrix by Rue Broca. This one has a very unique bottle and has that smoky effect to it. Let's just check the notes of this one. In the top notes, we have pineapple, grapefruit, bergamot, and blackcurrant. In the middle, we have cedar, patchouli, jasmine, and lavender. And in the base, we have oakmoss, musk, and woods. We'll just see how it smells. Now, before I spray, let me tell you that this has that Aventus and Hachiwa DNA, just to let you know guys prior to what we can expect. Let's spray it and see how it smells. Nice atomizer. The opening is full of freshness, fruitiness, and woodiness. I get those hints of earthy nuances as well. Now this is more close to Nishane Hachiwa than Aventus because as it's drying down, I can definitely say the woods and the oakmoss are more prominent. This is a great budget-friendly option, perfect for those who are looking for a clean, woody, earthy fragrance, and you can wear this throughout the year, and this comes at a very good price. Next I have Acqua di Gio Parfum, a classic marine scent. Let's unbox this one. Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak on that peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe to the wind. This looks like a traditional classic Acqua di Gio bottle design with matte black finish and has a transparent base. Let's check the notes of this one. In the top note, we have marine notes and bergamot. In the middle, we have rosemary, clary sage, and geranium. And in the base notes, we have patchouli and olibanum. Let's give this an atomizer check and see how it smells. The opening is immediately smooth, fresh, bergamot and aquatic sort of freshness. It's slightly sweet and a little bit of spicy in the beginning. Now there are so many fragrances in the Acqua di Gio line and they are so identical to each other with some slight changes. As it is drying down, it's becoming more aromatic, slightly soft, and it almost feels like breezy because of those notes of rosemary, sage, and geranium. And there is a good dose of marine notes in this one, and it instantly elevates the fragrance experience, making me feel like I'm on a coastal getaway. Now talking about the budget, this is priced at the high range for a designer fragrance, and Acqua di Gio Parfum is ideal for anyone who's looking for a refined aquatic signature fragrance for summers. This works really well from day to evening wear. Next I have the ultimate party fragrance, Versace Eros Parfum. And the notes of this one are, on the top notes we have mint, lemon, black pepper, elemi. In the middle we have green apple, geranium, lavender and sage. And in the base notes we have tonka bean, amber, vanilla and patchouli. Let's see how this one smells. The opening is very vibrant with a bold citrus burst. There's a cool, minty nuance that giving this fragrance a bright, energetic vibe. Overall, the opening is fresh, clean, minty, and a little bit sweet. It's not flowing, becomes very smooth within a few seconds of spraying it. Now, I have Eros Eau de Toilette and Eros Flame, and I wanted to try this one as well. This is a more mature version of Eros Eau de Toilette, and this is more fresh, minty, and spicy, and less sweet compared to the EDT. The vanilla is toned down over here, and it works really well for both winters and summer evening. In terms of budget, this one is also positioned at a high range when it comes to designer fragrances. But as you can see, I got a tester and I got it for a steal price. You can also buy testers at a very good price that will save you a lot of money, and I'll talk more about testers in upcoming videos. If you are into bold, loud, fresh and sweet fragrances that make a statement on a summer night out or parties, Versace Eros Parfum is the perfect one for you. Next, I have a very affordable fragrance called Turati Blue by Afnan. Let's unbox this one. I am pretty sure this will have a amazing presentation. Wow. Turati Blue by Afnan. This is a very good alternative to a really expensive fragrance called Bulgari Tiger. Let's check the notes of this one first. In the top notes, we have citruses. In the middle, we have amber and woody notes. And in the base, we have musk, spices, and patchouli. Let's spray this one and see how it smells. So we are talking about the Bulgari Tiger inspired DNA. So I am expecting it to be a very good musky fragrance. In the opening, I get that crisp, citrusy, grapefruit soda like vibe. It's not harsh, in fact, very pleasant to smell. It's evolving into a fresh, woody, musky kind of fragrance. Overall, I can say it's citrusy, soft, spicy, musky, and woody kind of fragrance. Very pleasant to smell in the air as well, and the freshness will definitely be throughout. This is very budget friendly, great quality for the price tag. It's very versatile too. 100% I'll recommend this to someone who wants a perfect daily wear, everyday kind of a scent for office to casual wear. And this is perfect for the summer, and it can also be worn all year around. So next I have bought myself a new bottle of Versace Pour Homme, and this is my second one. Let's unbox this one and see how it smells. Now let me tell you, this is a creation of a world famous legendary master perfumer Alberto Morillas. This perfumer is so good, words can't justify what this man has given to the perfume world. He has been creating masterpieces for over 50 years now, and this guy has created more than 500 amazing perfumes. This number can actually be much higher. This guy is a legend. People who are new to the fragrance world, let me give you an example. Like Michael Jordan is to basketball or Cristiano Ronaldo is to football, in the same way Alberto Morillas is to the perfume world. He's that good. He's the GOAT. He has made many iconic fragrances over the years, and these are top sellers of many brands. Versace Pour Homme is just an example. We'll talk about his other creations in some other video. First, let's unbox this one. So here we have the classic Versace Pour Homme bottle. Let's look at the notes of this one. In the top notes, we have lemon, bergamot, neroli, and rose. In the middle, we have hyacinth, cedar, clary sage, and geranium. And in the base notes, we have tonka bean, musk, and amber. Let's spray it and see how it smells. The opening is bright and energetic. I immediately get that sparkling citrusy smell mixed with some smooth florals. It reminds me of a calm morning day during summers. This is a very classic, clean vibe fragrance. It is incredibly versatile and pleasant to smell. Versace Pour Homme is an affordable fragrance when it comes to designer fragrances. This one's widely loved, mass appealing, and easy to wear. Anyone who's looking for a reliable all-day fragrance that is both fresh and subtly elegant should get this one. This is perfect for work, gym, and weekend outings. Now, last in today's video, I have a tester again, Acqua di Gio Profondo Parfum. So let's take out the bottle. Now, I want to see how similar or how different Profondo Parfum is from the normal Parfum. Let's just quickly check the notes of this one. In the top notes, we have marine notes and green mandarin. In the middle, we have mimosa, and in the base notes, we have patchouli and labdanum. Now the notes are certainly a bit different from the other flanker which we covered today. This has mimosa, which is slightly sweet, floral, woody kind of nuance, We'll just spray it and see how it smells. The first spray, definitely a deep, immersive burst. Imagine plunging into the ocean. Starts with a citrus blast, but soon turns into a bold, aquatic, little salty kind of a fragrance, almost creating a reminiscent of the ocean. Now, as this will dry up, it will become a little bit sweeter because it has patchouli and labdanum in the base. To be honest, this is not for me. This is a more deep, oceanic, salty, and marine kind of fragrance. And again, the budget of this one is very similar to Aqua di Gio Parfum, but I would choose Aqua di Gio Parfum over this any day because that's more versatile and pleasant and has a little bit of incensey smokiness which smells amazing. This is actually for someone who lives near the beach or loves going to the beach again and again because this has an oceanic aquatic scent which is a bit salty. So these are the 10 fragrances I recently picked up which are perfect for summer. But hold on, just a minute. There is something really important I want to share with you guys. I'll be doing giveaways. I will make part 2 of this video where I'll be getting 10 more fragrances for you guys and I will be giving away not just one, two fragrances out of 20 fragrances which will be perfect for summer. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video and put one comment below telling us which is your absolute go-to fragrance for the summer. Guys, do these small things and support me to make this happen for real. You can also comment which fragrance should I cover in part 2. I will get those fragrances, unbox them for you and give my initial impressions. As of now, in the part 2, I'm planning to cover some affordable and some niche fragrances which are perfect for summer. Don't forget, you can always comment below which fragrance or which fragrance topic you want me to cover in the upcoming videos. That will really help me grow this channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, smell amazing, stay fragrant with Aromatic.
You ain't never really been loved properly. I can tell when you're on top of me. I can fix you up possibly with this energy inside of me. But you gotta ride for me, gotta kill for me, keep it real with me. All the it's on the pill to me, split the bill with me, share a meal with me. Help me get it to the bag, make a meal with me. Really not surprised that your voice feel surprised by the way that I'm loving on you. Shawty, you the prize when I look in your eyes. I can tell that I'm showing you something.